I'm the founder of Wildlife Through Lens. So I've started this trip, and it was just basically an experimental trip like some months back at Manas National Park, and it happened to be very successful. So now we are just going for the second season of it. That's in Kaziranga National Park. The whole team is here. Let's hope for a great journey ahead.
Hello, I'm Kaziranga, and I'll be leading the team toward the destination. And this is my first experience for wildlife observation. And for this purpose, I've joined this wildlife through lenses, and hope we have a very great and good journey ahead.
We have stopped for a short break. Really excited. Really great riding experience. This is my second time riding with wildlife through lens. Hoping for a great sightings, and always there's something to learn.
So we have reached our destination today. So today we'll be staying here in Garnet. We have almost covered around 250 kilometers today.
नेशनल पार्कर भितरत की बस्तु एलाउ करिब लागे और की बस्तु एलाउ नकरे एलाउ नकरा बस्तुबिलाक हल प्लस प्रथमत आमार प्लास्टिक एकेबारे एलाउ नकरे काजिरंगा नेशनल पार्कर भितरत प्रथम तार पिछते आपुनार कैमेरा एलाउ करे कैमेरा आपुनार एलाउ करे तार बिनिमयत आमी एंट्री फी दिब लागे 100 रुपीस কৈ আৰু যদি ভিডিও ক্যামেৰা গোপ্ৰ হয় তেতিয়া হলে আপোনাৰ 1000 দিব লাগে আৰু আপোনাৰ পাৰ্কৰ ভিতৰত আমি যদি গাড়ীত গৈ থকা অৱস্থাত আমি থিয় হৈ পেলাই ৰানিং অৱস্থাত যদি গাড়ীখন থাকে তেতিয়া থিয় হৈ পেলাই আমি মানে গৈ থাকিব নালাগে হেৰ সময়ত বহি পেলাই গৈ থাকিব লাগে আৰু কবাত যদি ৰখিব লগিয়া হয় ড্ৰাইভাৰজনক ক'ব লাগে যে গাড়ীখন অকমান স্লো কৰি দিবা ৰখিবা মই কিবা এটা দেখিছো চাম আৰু পাৰ্কৰ ভিতৰত মানে কি ইখন গাড়ী পা হিখন গাড়ী সিয়ৰ মাৰি পেলাই সিয়ৰিব নালাগে যাতে যদি সিয়ৰ মাৰে ওচৰত থকা এনিমেলছক কেতিয়াবা প্ৰবলেম হ'ব যদি কেতিয়াবা ধৰি লওক এনেকুৱা ওয়াইল্ড বাফেলো কিছুমান বহুত খঙাল থাকে তো হেতি আমাক কেতিয়াবা এটেকো কৰিব পাৰে যদি ৰাইনো থাকে পোৱালি লগা ৰাইনো তেতিয়া আমাক এটেক কৰিব পাৰে আৰু আপোনাৰ প্লাষ্টিকটো কলুৱে তাৰ বাহিৰে আপোনাৰ সিগাৰেট এবিলাক একেবাৰে এলাউ নকৰে মেছ এলাউ নকৰে যদি লাইটাৰ এবিলাক এলাউ নকৰে ইমানেই আৰু
afternoon, everybody. First, I would like to thank Mr. Subhankar for his this initiative for through wildlife through lenses, as he organized their beautiful competitions among their group, which is a very good initiative by him to know the things about the wildlife and of our Assam and over the world.
Hi, I'm Garnet, and I'm grateful for doing this trip with Wildlife Through Lens, organized by Subhankar. And I think he has done a phenomenal job. And we are heading back to Guwahati. We have just completed our trip. This morning, we had an opportunity to visit Kaziranga Safari. It was my first experience. We didn't get lucky to see many animals, but in together, it was a wonderful experience because there were a lot of small things in between that we were able to do. We enjoyed every part of it, and Subhankar particularly has done a phenomenal job to bring together all the like-minded people. Altogether, it was a very experiential trip, and I look forward to do many of such trips in the future as well.
So finally we have concluded our trip. So the most important part was actually that everybody has interacted and the networking was done very nicely. So in future we are planning to host more such kind of trips, and we would like anyone who is interested to join us may follow our page and get in touch with us, and we look forward for your participation. So that's all. Thank you. Just signing off. Bye bye.